Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions without losing your sanity or your wallet. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras with a showdown between the Canon EOS R5, which costs as much as a used car, and the Fujifilm X-T50, which is a more reasonable price but still makes your bank account sweat. So, grab your popcorn, and let's see which camera reigns supreme in the battle of the megapixels. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. The Canon EOS R5 is priced at an eye-watering $3,899. That's right, folks, you might need to sell a kidney or two to afford this beauty. Meanwhile, the Fujifilm X-T50 is a mere $1,799. You could buy two X-T50s and still have enough left over for a nice dinner, or maybe a fancy dessert to drown your sorrows. Reviewers appreciate the R5's value given its high-end features, but many agree that the X-T50 offers great performance at a much more accessible price. Now, let's get to the juicy stuff. Image quality. The Canon EOS R5 boasts a whopping 45-megapixel full-frame sensor. That's so high-res, you might just see your ex lurking in the background of your vacation photos. Meanwhile, the Fujifilm X-T50 has a 40.2-megapixel X-Trans sensor. Sure, it's a bit lower, but with Fujifilm's film simulations, you can make your images look like they were taken in a hipster coffee shop in Brooklyn. Reviewers of the R5 rave about its incredible image quality and autofocus capabilities, particularly for wildlife and sports photography, while X-T50 users enjoy its unique film simulations that enhance their creative photography. If you're into video, the Canon EOS R5 can shoot 8K video at 30 frames per second. You could literally film a blockbuster movie on this thing. Just be prepared for your hard drive to scream in agony. On the flip side, the Fujifilm X-T50 offers 6.2K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 60 frames per second. It's like having a mini film studio in your backpack, minus the coffee stains and existential dread from being a filmmaker. Reviewers highlight the R5's impressive video capabilities, making it a favorite among serious videographers, while the X-T50 is appreciated for its versatility in video shooting at a lower price point. Next up, autofocus. The Canon EOS R5 features dual-pixel CMOS AF covering about 100% of the frame with 1053 AF areas. This thing will track your subject better than your mom tracked you when you were sneaking out as a teenager. The Fujifilm X-T50 is no slouch either, but let's be real, it's like a loyal dog compared to the R5's supercharged robot with laser vision. Reviewers of the R5 consistently praise its exceptional autofocus performance, especially for fast-moving subjects, while X-T50 users note that although its autofocus is good, it may not match the R5's advanced capabilities. Now let's talk special features. The R5 has in-body image stabilization and can create 400-megapixel files with its high-resolution shot mode. That's perfect for art reproduction and building signage. You know, for when you want to take a picture of your house and make it look like a fine art piece. Meanwhile, the Fujifilm X-T50 has a dedicated film simulation dial with 20 different film simulations. So, whether you want a vintage look or just to make your lunch look artsy on Instagram, Fujifilm's got you covered. Reviewers appreciate the R5's advanced features for professional use, while X-T50 users enjoy the creative control offered by its film simulations. Overall, the reviews for the Canon EOS R5 highlight its exceptional image quality, autofocus, and video capabilities, making it a top choice for professionals, despite its high price. In contrast, the Fujifilm X-T50 is loved for its affordability, creative features, and solid performance, though some users have raised concerns about its build quality and quality control issues. So who wins this epic battle? If you have deep pockets and want the best of the best, the Canon EOS R5 is your go-to. But if you're looking for something solid that won't cause a financial crisis, the Fujifilm X-T50 is your best friend. Remember, it's not just about the gear, it's about the passion behind the lens. So what do you think? Are you Team Canon or Team Fujifilm? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Buy Smart for more comparisons that make shopping a bit less painful. Until next time, keep shooting, and may your photos always be in focus.